So guys, despite me sitting on a top of a truck, I want to make a quick little video about what happened today on my drive home from work. So I was driving home, minding my own business, you know, just being a productive member of society during this whole pandemic. And I heard the loudest noise. Like, you ever play like Call of Duty or some type of FPS game, and like when you throw a flashbang, like that ringing noise? That is what I thought went off in my car. I was like, what the hell just happened? I have a bottle of hand sanitizer in my car. Like, I thought maybe that exploded, but like I just used it a few minutes ago. So I was like, what? Like, literally my right ear was ringing this whole time. So I look behind me really quick to see what's going on, and do you know what I saw? There was a freaking Diet Dr. Pepper can, not sponsored. They need to after this mess. The top literally blew clean off. So my Tesla gets like 140 plus degrees during the day here in Florida. I don't have cabin overheat protection on. So this can was unopened the whole day while I was at work. And when I get off of work, sometimes I drive kind of spiritedly, you know, where I accelerate pretty fast. So I think that was kind of like shaking it up. And yeah, a few minutes later after I left work, that thing popped and made a little bit of a mess in my Tesla. But I wanted to make this video not to share my dramatic life, but also to show you how easy it was to clean up. I literally just used some paper towels, like a rag, and then just some baby wipes to clean up. The white like vegan leather cleans up really easy, especially because it wasn't much liquid. It was just spots everywhere. It did get on the roof, but luckily all of that is glass, so that cleans up super easy. There is one bar with some lights that has some fabric, which I cleaned that up with a baby wipe. I may have to go back and kind of like detail it with some fabric cleaner, but we'll see there what happens. Yeah, and the only other stain that I can see on the white seats are from when I did a test with 2 shots of espresso. I poured it directly on the seat and let it sit for quite a long time, and I think the seats are permanently ruined from that because I did too crazy of a test. So if you want to watch that video, I'll put it right there. Other than that, just like the video and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.